Hello guys, thank you for watching Flourish by Flora, and if you're new here, please to subscribe and please click that like and notification bell as well so you'll be updated for all new videos. Thank you. Okay guys, so today's video I'm going to do unboxing. So the unboxing for today is this. It's a bit tiny this time. So can I just tear?
Yeah, but careful not to have anything inside.
Okay. So let's see what is this. Oh my lord! Oh, this is the one I told you about. Look at this, guys. It's a hat. I got 3 different. Oh, so this is the same color.
Yeah, I think they're all the same.
Oh yeah, they are all the same color.
Yeah.
Is there's no other color, darling?
No.
Because guys, in London it's getting hotter, so when it's hot, I need a hat. Excuse me, baby.
Excusez-moi.
So this hat it opens like this. So from this, it opens like that, and then open it like this. Oh, this is a bit bigger. I have another the same like this, but it's smaller. This one is bigger. Oh, so this one come off. So this I need to
make a knot.
yeah, I'll make a knot so it doesn't come off. So like that. So like this. So this is, I love this hat, guys, because
Protects from the sun.
yeah, because the thing of this is it's easily, I can put it in my bag. Oh, so how to do this? It's different. So it's like that. Well, I think this should come.
Careful not to break it.
So when to close it, it closes like this. There, and there. Like that. So I'll open the other one because the thing is the knot is they didn't put a knot in this that one.
Probably all the same.
Shouldn't be.
They worked out about £5 each,
£5 each.
including delivery.
So it's the same thing. So I have to figure out how to make it. I have to look in my other hat. Yeah. So this is the unboxing for today, guys. This hat.
Chinese style hat.
Is a Chinese style hat.
Not only Chinese style, I'm sure it's made in China anyway.
Yeah, of course this is made in China. But there's a thing in there. There's a label in there. So it's a bit, yeah. This is a bit nicer because the in the seam here is cloth, whereas the other one that I have is there's no cloth like this, so that it's pulling apart, and this one is okay, yeah, like that. Okay guys, so this is the unboxing for today, this hat. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Thank you. Ta-ra! Love, love, love.